Hey, what's up guys, this is KDRD. Welcome back to another headphone review. And after reviewing the Sony WIC200s, I got a bunch of requests to take a look at these and compare the Realme Buds Wireless. These are really popular, right up there at the top wireless headphones under 2K, right up there in the list. And my friend was kind enough to lend me these for a couple of days. And after some thorough testing, I gotta say, these are an excellent set of wireless earbuds providing an excellent value. Let's just start right with the sound. These sound great, like similar to the Sony's. It provides a really clean sounding audio with really good separation, and this definitely sounds a lot fuller and punchier thanks to the 11mm drivers as opposed to the 9mm drivers, which is standard. So you could say that there is more definition to the sound. However, you would probably expect the bass to be really good when it's marketed like that, and honestly, the bass isn't that overpowering. It's not really up to the mark. Now I'm saying this in reference to the Boat 255s, which are way louder, much better in bass. And that being said, it's not underwhelming. It's just got the right amount of bass, and depending upon what kind of song you hear, the mids and the highs should be just fine. And sometimes it feels like the mids could have been better, but it's fine. I like it. Now talking about the microphone and the call quality, well, it's pretty good according to my, the people I talk to. And well, it's better than the Sony's, I can give you that, which had a pretty passable mic, and this one, it's fine, and yeah, not really a whole lot to cover. Then let's talk about build quality. This thing is built like a tank. The headset itself is beautifully crafted with metal, and the earbuds have this really high quality rubber material and tips to go along with everything, with the shiny Realme branding and the obvious color. Now, as much as it sounds good on paper, we need to keep in mind that it's a neckband, and since it's my first time using a proper neckband type of earbuds, it felt kind of heavy, and it's kind of difficult to watch videos when you're lying on your bed. It feels like it's weighing down and choking on you. Moreover, the earphones or the wings aren't soft enough, so it might hurt your ears after like a couple of hours of listening. But bottom line is that these are alright if you can get used to them. And the advantage of all that heft is that it stays really tightly on your ears, so you can easily work out, take this to the gym, and not worry about sweat or these falling off. Next, let's talk about the unique set of controls. As you might know, Realme Buds come with a magnetic control, so the buds automatically turn Bluetooth off and on when the buds are magnetically closed or open. So you just pop them right in your ear and it connects without pressing a button, and the connection is pretty fast, I can give you that. And I gotta say, this is a pretty instant and a clever solution of emulating AirPods in Android, and I gotta give props for that. So I really like this. Now coming to the battery life, Realme says 12 hours, and honestly, it's kind of true. I watched almost an entire season of Brooklyn Nine-Nine on a single charge, which is pretty insane. And if you use it like for a couple of hours every day, you won't have to worry about battery life. And charging is through micro USB, which is kind of a bummer for me. Up to you how you take that. Shouldn't be a deal breaker for you, since almost all headphones on the market are micro USB. But yeah, all in all, these provide an excellent value for the price, and I'm willing to bet that these are the most premium feeling neck buds or neck bands, whatever you call it. I won't hesitate to recommend it. The sound is great, but don't expect too much into the bass, and magnetic control feels a lot like AirPods for cheap, so that's nice. That's really the highlight of this product. I'm still not really much of a neckband guy, so I wouldn't use it on the daily, but if you don't hate neck buds, I guess this is the best you can buy right now under 2K. And as of late 2019 right now, maybe hold out for the Realme Purely Wireless as teased last month, which is going to be expensive. But anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this helpful, do like this video, subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.